Chicken Dum Biryani.
1.25 kgs of chicken, 300 grams of curd dahi, 2 tsps of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tsps of red chili powder, salt as per taste, 2 lemon juice, 2 tsps of garam masala powder, half tsp of lemon salt, half tsp of testing salt, 2 pinches of green food color, 2 pinches of yellow food color, 3 to 4 slitted green chilies, some chopped mint, and coriander leaves. Transfer chicken pieces in a mixing bowl. Add salt. Add turmeric powder. Add red chili powder. Add ginger garlic paste. Add garam masala powder. Add lemon juice. Add curd. Add lemon and testing salt. Add green chilies, chopped mint, and coriander leaves. Mix them well. Akni is done, leave it for 2 hours. 1 kilogram of basmati rice, soaked for 1 hour. 2 bay leaves, 2 inches of cinnamon sticks, 3 to 4 green elaichi, 3 to 4 cloves, and 1 teaspoon of shazira. Boil 3 liters of water in an utensil. Add whole garam masala. Add 1 tsp of salt. Three to 4 finely sliced and fried onion. Water is boiling well. Add soaked basmati rice. Give a mix. Add 1 teaspoon of oil. Cover and cook rice. After 2 hours, chicken is marinated well. Crush fried onion and add mix it well. Add 3 to 4 tsps of oil, in which onion is fried. Give it a nice mix. Remove lid and cook rice, up to 90%. Up to 90% rice is cooked. Strain rice. Transfer akni in an utensil. Spread it evenly. Add 2 teaspoons of rice, water, and add in akni. Give a mix. Add cooked rice. Spread it evenly. Sprinkle some fried onion. Sprinkle green food color. Green color is optional, we can use red or orange food color. Sprinkle yellow food color. Add chopped mint and coriander leaves. Close lid and put on dum for 15 to 20 minutes. Rotate from sides and cook. Cook on low to medium flame. Biryani is done. Rice is perfectly cooked. Time to serve tasty biryani. Tasty and delicious chicken dum biryani is ready to serve. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.